Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 4. I can't believe it's already fourth day of Vlogmas. I did start a couple days early just because of when we wanted to decorate the tree and everything, but it is the 2nd of December and I'm currently just having a day off. I've got a lot of stuff that I want to get done today. I'm about to go get ready just because I want to take some Instagram pictures today, and I've got a whole bunch of other things that I need to get done. It's currently like 11:15 or so, so I'm going to go get ready and then make some lunch. But I'm currently like really not looking too hot with my acne right now, but I do have a new product that I want to try on the way. It's called Curology. I'm sure you guys have heard of it. I'm very excited to try it, and that will be a whole other video. So if you guys are interested in seeing what it does for me, definitely hit the subscribe button and wait for that video. It'll probably be out in like January or something because I want to try it for the 1-month free trial. If you didn't know, you can go on to Curology.com and try for $4.95 just shipping. So you can try it for free, you just pay for the $4.95 shipping, which is super nice, which is like pretty much why I wanted to try it, because like this guy's annoying me. And I think I took my Sylvan pillowcases off of the bed as well to like match the sheets, but I think I have to put it back on because I have like little bumps on my cheeks, both of my cheeks, that are like, they're not normally there. But yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and go get ready. I've just been doing like some housework stuff, not a whole lot. Kel went to work at 10. That's super bright. Yeah, Kel went to work at 10 this morning, and I've just kind of been like doing boring house stuff. I did the dishes and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm going to get ready now and probably make some lunch after that and then take the pictures. So yes, happy Vlogmas, how exciting. Okay, wow, I feel so much better. I was gonna straighten my hair, but I decided to leave it natural because I've just got so much stuff to do. I don't want to waste time doing that just for some Instagram pictures. But now for vlogging and like looking at myself over there, I feel a lot better with how I look, so that's great. So it's 12:04 right now, and I want to make a crock-pot chicken noodle soup for dinner tonight. Kel gets out at 6, and all of the instructions that I read online said that it should take 6 to 8 hours on low to cook the chicken. So I think I'm gonna get that started now and just cook it on low just to like make sure. I didn't find like an exact recipe, so I'm going to try to wing it, and I'm a little nervous about that because I have no idea how it's gonna turn out. But I mean, that's the fun of it, I guess. It's because there's so many different like variations of it, and I'm just not really sure what's the best way to do it. But yeah, I'm gonna try it. Just what makes sense in my head, and we'll see what happens.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine.
Alright, so that is now on low for 6 hours. I'm a little concerned that there's not enough broth, but whatever. It is what it is. If we have more of a chicken and noodle thick stew, whatever. Yeah, let's take a look at my to-do list here. Okay, so I already got vlog number 2 up. It'll be going live at 1. I got my bills organized. So I still want to take Instagram pictures and do a post as well. And then I need to plan some more Vlogmas stuff just because I really just don't know what else to do, and I'm like by myself most days, so it's like, what do I do by myself that's like interesting? And then I have to call our internet and cable company because there's a problem with our box that I can't figure out. And then I also really want to organize my closet. I'm debating if I should take a couple of Instagram pictures now and then cook lunch, or if I should cook lunch now. I want to make a salad, and I kind of want to try the air fryer, and I don't really know how long it's going to take, so maybe I should start that first just in case it does take a while. And I look very washed out, so that is not very flattering. Now I'm gonna try the air fryer and some chicken.
Holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want.
Alright, I'm gonna watch a YouTube video from the dining room table so I can keep an eye on it. And then I will come back to update you with how it turned out. Okay, update. Chicken is done. It definitely took like way too long. It was like someone keeps coming in and out of their apartment. I don't know what she's doing. Okay, but it took like half an hour, and I feel like it doesn't need to take half an hour, but I'm gonna make a salad, I'm gonna eat it, and then I might go to Starbucks because I'm exhausted and I haven't done anything that I wanted to do today. So, I'm gonna eat this and I'll see you later. Oh my goodness, I just, I'm going to Starbucks, but I just brushed off my car for the first time this season. I've got snow all over me and I didn't wear a jacket because it looked warm out because it's so freaking sunny. I've got snow all over the car, so I'm very excited to get my latte. Oh my god. Still a couple people in front of me. I hope they can't see my like phone right back there, but whatever. I really want a coffee. I've got the crock pot in front of my coffee station, so I'm bored. I want to get out of the house. So let's get some Starbucks. I thought it would be cute for pictures as well, which is what I'm going to do like as soon as we get back, because I really need to do that today. That's like top priority, and it's already 1:45 and I haven't done that yet. So I'm also getting the toasted white mocha, which I've never gotten before, and I've heard so many great things about it, so I'm excited to try it.
Thank you for choosing Starbucks. This is Big Spring. How's your day going today?
Good, how are you?
So good. Can't complain. How can I help you today?
Can I please have a grande toasted white chocolate mocha?
And a toasted white chocolate mocha.
Yep.
Would you like that hot or ice today?
Hot, please.
Got you. Anything else?
Nope, that's it.
That'll be $5.67. You can pour right up to the window.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
All right, I'm back home now, and I got the toasted white mocha. So I haven't had one yet ever, and I figured I would try it on camera. I did wait till I got home, so I didn't drink it on the way home because I'm only like 2 minutes away from Starbucks, so I figured I should wait and film it because I didn't want to film while driving. Yeah, let's taste it. Oh my god. No wonder why everybody gets this. That is so good. Oh my god. Okay. I'm gonna go take my pictures now, so if you haven't already, go follow me on Instagram. It's Kailey Christine with an extra E. This is so good.
Is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy.
Guys, well, I just wrapped up taking the Instagram pictures that I wanted to take today, so if you are interested in seeing that, make sure to go follow me on Instagram. It's Kailey Christine with an extra E, and I'll leave it up right here as well. It's also linked in the description box below if you want to follow me, which you definitely should. But this is where I'm going to end the video for today, so I hope you enjoyed it. Of course, give me a thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below what other things that I should do for Vlogmas. I'm not really sure what else I should do, so let me know what you want to see, and I will see you in the next vlog. Bye!